I've always said, say, this banking sector issue, me, it say the approach a buying way the scene and so at the year, a faulty. Choir a buying fast so at the banks a fast was discriminatory. Na eno ne yehu se say e ba say ye even the CEOs no. Na enye me nwanwa say where we've got into now, they will decide to do what they are doing. They got it wrong to start with. And I can say Omanpenyi Akufo-Addo ni finance minister. Eni da ho pa. Woman sheda seriously because we share the course of banking sector, the effect downplay the effect to come see we share ni padudu ananka wo mu lose wo mu deposits near there. But we have forgotten your contribution here towards that as a government, especially the governor of Bank of Ghana. Yeah, me say many tea. Me follow Ghana. Abakwa semini the course of Ghana ni adi nyina no. Me who governor bia. Na 1 2 3. Ontimi emfa asem entunity. 1 2 3 no we're journey to what do you call it, the press. Now him say sikasem anything in the banking sector no omo keep no maybe secret. I mean even in the banking sector no maybe to be cost because of the effect a pie and a public its effect e banking sector no anything a lot of the time no say no maybe to me see what banks near they find a way to keep it out, of the public. No, almost solve within the confines of omumra ni ade ombi operating ni ade. Say ban say be you be the ni because the repercussions is far reaching. Esan say o share the governor of Bank of Ghana in the next week 5 banks ebeko 10 banks ebeko 14 banks ebeko. Anything Amanfo nyina sorry say omo go yi omo sika. I mean there was panic in the system. Or reducing trust. It's a fact. The idea ban. Look, you see, say one share the course before now, you cannot go forward.
But
going forward,
Obre say baby answer baby because I can say for avoidance of panic withdrawal anyway so into ye coma. Do you know
he created that thing. No creative here. I am telling you so no creative is a panic in a system. It has never happened before. No creative here.
Even so after evidence abaso enipa mienu
and American say
they have been charged
they have been charged. What I am saying is that and this one, Ghana is not the only country that all go through such a situation. It has happened in the UK, it has happened in America, it has happened in Nigeria, it has happened in a lot of countries. Banking sector, no, right? No more be brave. Sorry, I mean, gonna say. I didn't know. Man, say this is the first time such a thing is happening. No, it has happened before. But the approach, to the extent that even some banks are not. Woman who song grano, woman robu woman in Heritage Bank today. Heritage Bank. On also no the course no be na course one man. The Capital Bank ni UT Bank no ko no is that the Enubina Heritage Bank here na. Why is that Heritage Bank so woman collapse no? And into them can say they targeted some banks, right? And the woman collapse woman.
Obia one reason, but Obia so before Bank of Ghana Mrano, Omatomra, and their reasons may not be the same, but Omatomra.
But what I am saying is that the approach to me, right? Say me, na me finance minister. Say me, na me governor of Bank of, and I say me na me president of this country. My approach will be different, okay. Because I mean, there are you know,
what would have been your approach?
What I'm saying is that yes, today, yeah, say woman, those who have been found to have mismanaged, that woman are arrested. Woman. What about the workers? What about those who are suffering now? Those who have their monies at the bank up to now in Sankai? What happened to them? Because you see, in the banking sector, no, whether you like it or not, no. Sometimes with the Ponzi scheme. Look, there is a certain level of Ponzi in all banking, institutions. Because if people stop depositing, no matter how much money you have, you cannot continue operating your bank. Someone from first come, right? Who deposit, and I say investment or any, and who touch him, because banking here daily. People must bring money. They must have the confidence in the bank. Say, "Name the sika koto one." Say, "The buy obi eba be yiska." As say, "Otumi nye bi na dem ode man." Eye de bia na obeso record Bank of Ghana say okwa ko yiska one. Eye, you trade with the money, you buy money and sell money. Anything say obi e de to ne ho say obi creative panic our system man for withdraw. Omusika people stop sending money to banks near there. Now be catch me say, "Oye ade eye." To the extent say na yet one say, and I mean a GN Bank staff are woman coffee about 3,000. 3,000. Woman see woman protected deposit. How many of them have been paid? How many of them have been paid? How many of them the customers have been paid? Since September 2017, since September 2018. Bisa say how many of them? I see only validation. Men's go cry validation.
How many
even men's go cry
men's go near to some validation.
Men's go cry validation. You know, obi validation doesn't mean that you are getting your money. Obi validation doesn't mean that you are getting your money. Anything no because the approach is one. Ose among for the car, among for mismanaging. Who are the people? I mean, the woman here, Sisi Amafino, arrested woman. Some of them are even walking around here. The woman here is cosmetic. What we expected them to do, why don't you inject that money back? If it is about the management, clear them. Because we need to protect jobs. We need to protect. Yes, I mean,
Obi a original court enim no then cosmetics. Now, unse Bank of Ghana for say bi mo no inject cash ni bi da. Na anya ejuma.
Please, yeah. We'll continue. What about and they say you can say to say the omu can say when they come they will not borrow no. And then omu kusu. I mean, whether you like it or not, no. People, I mean, they must also their jobs must also be protected.
But what's the were banking sector? Nimu say bia, say economists to say bankers, so say financial analysts, so muka say clean up nimpo. Ebi say chair na kese say bantem. Though ebi mo so bebo Bank of Ghana so nana mu supervision no kose no. Ebi maka say it was good.
Well, but have you also heard the other version like what I'm doing now? What?
Definitely.
Have you heard?
Ebisuaka said
that's the point.
They could have gone about it in a different way.
Because you see, it's not for nothing. And years back, America decided to pump in billions of dollars to save their banks. The UK did the same thing. The Nigerians also did the same thing.
But that doesn't mean some of these ones pumping in and still and I said they should have kept on pumping in.
I mean, if you pump the money, say Nipakuna, who this kind of question in Sano, or mismanaging, what do you do with the person? Sorry, me gonna say Nipakuna, who this kind of question in Sano. If you are dealing with the person, it doesn't mean say the bank you must collapse. Deal with those who mismanage the place. Not making sure say we are protecting the bank.
It be more private entities.
Oh, please.
And to deal with the person, and then our process and so now.
Yeah, maybe me lawyer who Ghana Hanum. GFA, what happened at GFA? What happened? GFA is a private, a private entity. What did government do?
Yes, that process na be omo winding up.
What me what? And omuma obi take over. Have we collapsed? Good. Have we collapsed GFA?
But
have we collapsed GFA?
But these banks,
please,
they didn't just collapse them. They made another bank. Nimu edu obetumi agina ne nanso take over.
GN Bank when they take over. GN Bank when they take over.
Okay, no dey mean say.
Anything no, the main person me say.
Mention other banks.
Me say who are taking over?
That's why I was
saying.
I say we are
what is political about what I'm saying? I am telling you about me. The approach I feel saying this abayi devoid of the omuye selectivity, no, the second omuye because one Capital Bank, right? Staff GCB fire, no, woman maintaining all the staffs, UT have they done the same? Beige ni we no makano have they done the same? What I'm saying is that if to say there you be to aba you say na do onya ade you be too late no does it mean I must collapse Ghana? No. If you mismanage the thing, go away. Take the person who is mismanaging away, handle him right so that we can maintain the integrity insofar as the confidence in the banks are concerned. But the approach that the ICC in there, Maza.
Okay. Ma offer Emra.
Look, as I sit here right now, Mr.